Okay, so let's move on to the third illustrative example, which talks about non-interest bearing note issued for property. Okay, when a non-interest bearing note is issued for property, the property is recorded at the cash price of the property. Okay, why? Because the cash price is assumed to be the present value of the note issued. Kaya yung cash price is yung amount na i-record because it was assumed na yung present value is equal to the cash price um, is equal to the cash price of the note issued. Okay. What does non-interest bearing note mean? Non-interest bearing notes mean that it doesn't have interest. Okay, it is a note payable or a promissory note that doesn't have interest, but it is actually not true at all times. So it is actually scam. So non-interest bearing note, non-interest bearing note doesn't mean that by the name itself, non-interest there is no interest, right? But actually it has an interest. So for example, you are planning to buy or to purchase a phone, okay, cell phone. Ingon na sales lady nga if you will going to buy this one at cash basis, okay, the cash price of the cell phone will be 10,000. But if you will you know, if you will buy this one in installment pieces, kung installment basis, kung imong paliton siya utang, then the price will be 15,000. So that's the face of the note issued, which is 15,000. Okay. So na difference yun because kung palito nimo ang cellphone 10,000, nya kung utangon 15,000, so na interest ato kung utangon. Pero gingon nga non-interest, okay? So the difference between the cash price and the face of note issued represents the imputed interest. So yung difference between 15,000 and 10,000, that's the imputed interest. Okay? The imputed interest is actually based on the sound philosophy that no lender, wala ko na magpautang, nga ganahan ipahawa iyang kwarta or property with property interest free, so walay interest. Well, exemption if it is your family or friends, okay, sometimes magpautang maka without interest, but most likely pag stranger, pag partner in a market, pag ganun nangutang sa imo, of course there is a interest, and mo nang imputed ang uban para dili sila pud I don't know, that is why mag-imputed interest sila. So maybe there's a reason behind that. Okay, so we have an illustration. Illustration: on January 1, 2020, an entity acquired an equipment with cash price of 350,000 for 500,000. Okay, there is a down payment of 100,000 and the balance payable is in 4 equal annual installments. So there is a installment. Basically, there is a serial payment or series of payment. Okay, every year end there is a payment of installment. Okay, so this is gonna be our table of amortization. That's gonna explain our explain thoroughly the discussion of non-interest. So first, let's talk about the journal entries for 2020. Okay. January 1, you have acquired the equipment. So basically, you're gonna be debit equipment 350,000, discount on note payable 150,000. So the magkuan ka og cash, mag-credit ka cash because kanang cash mo na imong down payment nga 100,000 and note payable nga 400,000 mo na 500,000 both sides, okay? So basically nakayutang nga 500,000 kay murag imo na siyang gi-acquire through utang, okay? Karon kitong 500,000 nag-down payment ka og 100,000. Mo na ang imong note payable 400,000 na lang. It means nakay utang of 400,000. And it's stated in the problem that there is a 4 equal annual installment. So every year end na equal nga installment. So tag 100,000 every year end. Okay? Now, December 31, nag-year end na. So, kailangan nakamobayad sa imong installment. So, note payable nimo nga 100,000. So, muna ta akong gi-explain. So, 400 is divided by 2 for equal annual installment. So, cash, nibayad naman ka, of course, you have 100,000. Payment of annual installment for 2020, mo siya, December 31. Now, December 31 again, we have to recognize the interest expense. Okay, we have to amortize the discount. Okay, so yung discount na to is 150,000. Nganong 60,000 ang nahita po? Nganong 60,000 siya? Okay, so first, let's go to table of amortization. Okay, your note payable, okay, note payable represents amount outstanding every year. So, kanang na note payable, okay, let's highlight. Kani, mo na siya yung mga outstanding balance every year. For 2020, mo outstanding balance is 400,000 mo siya. 2020. Okay? Gets? 2020 na kay 400,000, 2021 na 300 na lang. Because every year, you're gonna pay installment na 100,000. Karon giun sa man si fraction nga 4 divided by 4 over 10, 3 over 10, 2 over 10, and 1 over 10. So, it is actually 400,000. Okay, wait. Okay. Wait. The fraction is 400,000. Wait. 400,000. Tapos, divided by 1,110,000. Ay, no. It's that. Wait. Okay, so yun sa man si fraction. Si fraction, actually fraction is developed from the note payable outstanding every year. So this is the note payable outstanding every year. Okay, this is the note payable outstanding every year. 400,000, 300,000, 200,000, 100,000. So 400,000 divided by 400,000 divided by 1 million is 4 over 10. Okay, 300 divided by 1 million is 3 over 10. Okay, that's how we get the fraction. Okay, now for amortization, amortization is the amount of discount. Okay, this is amount of discount multiplied by the fraction developed. This is the amount, the discount. This is 150,000. Okay, the amount of discount is 150,000. So you multiply it by this, the fraction, and you will get the amortization. You multiply this by 3 over 10, you will get the amortization for 45,000 here and there. Yan. And it totals to 150,000. Okay? That's how you do table of amortization. Actually, this table of amortization is outstanding balance method. I have already discussed this straight line method, diba? Straight line method. And this is the outstanding balance method. Okay. Okay.